breakfast in bed.
Now you recording.
As a mayor. Because sometimes only Bebe, it's recorded. Bastos kayo. Puro kakabastusan. How many jobs we have here?
This one. This I don't know to bring this or the old one to finish with.
5 for 5. Yeah. We also have some fruits sponsored by us here. You want to eat also fruits after?
No.
You don't try.
Milk I want on. And one
Milk for him.
spoon.
Sir, you want big? It's okay.
We lose everything, eh? Very tasty.
You are the one who lost everything. You bringing there in the tree maybe.
What we now. Most coming.
You need coffee, no?
Yes, after that.
Yeah, during my... Where is my cream for my hand? Breakfast in bed with my peanut butter. Zimir. Over the moon called, right? Tell me if you have Filipina wife without telling me you have Filipina wife. Yung lagayan ng kape. Lagyan ko ng asukal. Kasi bibili pa. No buy. Not allowed to buy things. Sa bata. Wait, buy. Chocolate. You don't have plate. Why you put it there? Here. Towel. Kain tayo, guys. Yan. Favorite ng aking husband, brown bread. Yeah. There's no more rice here. Breakfast. All bread. You put butter. Bawal ako sa dairy products pero matigas ang ulo ko, so I eat. Yan. Butter. Marami ako mag-butter and jam kaya naubos agad yun. Pero minsan lang ako kumain ito. Kasi favorite jam niya is strawberry. Masarap siyang combination, guys. Sabihin na naman niya, dami! Oh, sorry. I know his reaction. Photo action. But you make like this and I will bite. You make like this. You hide and you show it. Your reaction. And what we're watching news. Finally, my husband is lazy to go out. My God, I don't know what kind of spirits come from his body. Maybe rest spirit come inside your body. Nakapagpahinga din. Pag day off, pero gala ng gala. So, hindi kami sabay ng day off today. We are not same because my colleague can't day off. with me. And pahinga si Inday. Pahinga ako ngayon. Nakapang swimming outfit ako kasi akala ko mag-swimming kami. Pero buti di natuloy. Then, couple, good one. And siya din. Papagod na rin siya finally. Napagod na rin siya. So, ngayon yung breakfast namin. Usually, kumakain muna kami ng cheese pie. Then, next to, latabad na kami lumabas. So, bread na lang. Masarap siya, guys. So, bilhan niya ka peanut butter kaya pumayat ako, guys. My kilos was 52, becomes 46. 7 kilos ang binawas ko. So, kailangan na akong patabain. Dati pa na yung sabi niya, pay attention. Ayan, lagi niya halos masuka na ako pa na ipapakain sa akin. Mahirap din magpasabak, guys. No, but that's more difficult to get fat.
For you.
Yeah, even and now I realize it's more difficult to get fat than to lose weight. For me, if I want to lose weight, I can do it. Kaya, minsan naduduwal na ako, guys, pakain. Minsan naduduwal na ako, pakain siya ng pakain. Promise, mahirap tumaba kesa pumayat. It's in the middle. Ay, where's my chocolate? So that's my breakfast, guys. Ang chocolate. Look, ang liit ng bewang ko. My God. Not good, payat kasi ang hirap manamit. Tulad niyan, yung damit ko to, ang hirap manamit kasi. Para kang hanger. No shape. At least the fat has shape, straight shape, no? But for thin...
Or the bones. For the bones, no shape.
Now you don't want me now to be thin. You like me to get fat now, ha? Siyempre, mahiya siya, guys, kasi chef siya. Sabihin nila, di mo pinapakain yung asawa mo. Natakot. Chocolate. Yeah, my mandarin now is become almond na daw. No more. How many you finished with it?
Yeah.
Third? Maybe me also because I'm hungry. Usually 2 I finished it. Malakas kami sa butter. Ay, siya pala. Madalang lang ako kumain. Yay! Jam, 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 jam. I will eat 3. So, ganyan ang breakfast dito. Walang sinangag. I miss sinangag. Puro mga pie, puro mga bread. Kasi dito yung bread malaki. Nabubusog ka na. Sa Pinas, yung bread sa atin sa Pinas, di ba yung pandesal maliit na. Siguro maka 10 piraso ako nung bago mabusog. Ito makapal. Mabigat sa tiyan. So, you are full. Di ba bebe yung pandesal in Philippines?
Nice.
Yeah, but air. You will finish 10 pieces before you get full. Here, only 1 piece, 2 pieces. Yan. You're done. Eat more. I will eat apple. Meron din kaming apple. Sponsored by Aspire. Kawat ko down. Diba? One more and I'm okay. Ακριβώς. Panty boy.
Tante boy.
my first word I read in Greek was panty boy. Yung nagpa-process pa ako ng papers ko. Sabi ko, bebe, panty boy. Radibu pala yun. Radibu. Panty boy. It spell like panty boy. And
Yeah, if you see in English, yeah.
why panty boy, bebe, and radibu? Panty boy. Tapos yung B-O-Y sa kanila bu. No? Radibu. Vu. Yung B, vu. You know, it's no Greek.
Finally, you start to speak Greek. To understand.
Peremene.
Hold on.
Peremene. Hold on. How many mag-coffee, baby? How many times you make
You
coffee
asked
in
me
one
before
day?
and I said, wait, no, I will not drink now. I will drink the
One in the tree,
smaller.
one
This.
here, one and outside.
What one? This is one in the tree I have. This is
No,
about
later
half.
one now.
No,
later
half now, half.
Kapit ka lang ako. Tama ka rin.
It not take space.
Well, kung mag-aral na naman ako ng Greek, kaya babalik kami ng Athens. I-meet ko na naman yung friends niya. Yeah. What did you learn
You
in
lost
Greek?
everything, baby.
What, you lost everything? You are the one bringing in the tree. Yeah.
Everything was double. 2 spoons, 2 forks, 2 little. And now we have everything one. One. That's all.
You are the one
The
always.
other, no, you eating and you drop it. This is the thing.
What do you do? Am I crazy? I'm eating and I drop it. You are the one.
Don't start this one. From yesterday already I informed you and you say, no, it's here.
Parang bakla to. Yeah.
Yeah, this is how you make it. Yeah, no, it's here. Where is the coffee now?
Number coffee down. Nabayot na yung asawa ko. Yeah.
No, it's here. All the bullshit. No, it's here.
Bebe, you will carry me na because you have power na. Bebe. Huh? What happened to you?
Hot. Very much.
You have power na. You eat already. You have coffee and you can carry me na. No? You have power na.
Jonathan. I'm thanking her.
Okay.
Bebe. Taxi. Kato.
Sus, nung wedding natin, galing-galing mo eh. Pa-impress ka. Our wedding, you too much pa-impress. You carry me. No.
I was young this time.
Bebe, forever young. Forever young. Peanut butter, guys. Matigas ang ulo ko. Nagpapalit ako ng brand ng peanut butter. Mas better pala yung pinili niya. Ay. I'm full now. I can't. This is my last. You charge your phone. Mm. Very nice. Very nice food. So, later, after this, kakain kami ng apple. Peanut butter. Para tumaba. Peanut butter. Actually, may bilbil na ako. Before, flat talaga. Tapos ng 46.3 now ako. 0.3. Tumaas na konti.
Così che si arriva a bracciare, chiacchiere, topi, cappello,